the 2025 Lincoln Corsair. A luxury SUV that blends sophistication, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling performance. But what if we told you it's not just a vehicle? It's a revolution in how we experience driving. Hold tight, because we're about to dive into why this SUV might just be the next big thing in automotive luxury. Right now, you're probably picturing sleek lines and a comfortable ride. But there's so much more to the Corsair than meets the eye. Imagine stepping into a car that feels like it was designed just for you. A car that responds to your every need, as if it's been anticipating your next move. That's the 2025 Lincoln Corsair. With its all-new tech upgrades and refined design, it's an SUV that doesn't just carry you from one place to another. It elevates every journey. First off, let's talk about what sets the 2025 Corsair apart from the competition. Lincoln has taken a giant leap forward with a combination of top-tier craftsmanship and advanced tech that would make even the most discerning drivers take notice. This is an SUV that screams luxury in the most understated, elegant way possible. From the moment you sit in the driver's seat, you're greeted by an environment that speaks to both your sense of comfort and your desire for something extraordinary. Now, one of the standout features of the 2025 Corsair is its driving experience. The moment you press the gas pedal, you're in for a smooth, responsive ride that balances power and agility like never before. Thanks to Lincoln's new Power Boost hybrid engine, the Corsair is not only eco-friendly, but also delivers exceptional acceleration. Whether you're cruising down the highway or maneuvering tight city streets, the Corsair's handling will leave you feeling in control and confident. But let's not forget about the inside. The 2025 Corsair takes luxury to the next level. Imagine wrapping yourself in leather upholstery so soft, you almost forget it's real. But it doesn't stop there. The spacious cabin, with its intuitive layout, features seats that can be adjusted to perfection. This SUV is built for comfort, whether you're on a quick errand or a long road trip. The centerpiece, the 13.2-inch digital touchscreen, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. It's more than just a screen. It's your command center. You can control everything from navigation to climate with just a tap or voice command. And with a fully connected system, you're always in sync with your world. Apple CarPlay, Android, Auto, and built-in Alexa make sure you're always one step ahead. And with the addition of a wireless charging pad, you'll never have to worry about low battery again. But wait, there's more. Lincoln has gone all in with its safety features, and the 2025 Corsair is a perfect example of that. With advanced driver assistance technologies like the Lincoln Co-Pilot 360, you're always surrounded by a shield of safety. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and a rear-view camera with a 360-degree bird's-eye view are just a few of the features designed to give you peace of mind on every drive. You're probably wondering, what about the performance? Well, the Corsair doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, you have a choice of two engine options. The 2.0-liter turbocharged engine or the Power Boost hybrid, both offering impressive horsepower and torque. Whether you're accelerating on the highway or navigating through rough terrain, the Corsair's performance is dynamic and responsive, making it the perfect blend of power and efficiency. Now, let's dive deeper into the tech. If you love gadgets, the 2025 Corsair will feel like a playground. It's equipped with the latest Sync 4 infotainment system, ensuring that you're always connected to what matters most. Whether you're controlling your smart home, checking the weather, or simply listening to your favorite playlist, this system makes it all easy and intuitive. And don't forget the available Revel audio system, which turns the Corsair into a concert hall on wheels. The sound quality is so crisp and clear, you'll feel like you're sitting front and center at a live performance. So, why is the 2025 Lincoln Corsair such a game changer? It's because it offers a unique combination of luxury, technology, performance, and safety that you simply won't find in many other vehicles on the market. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the experience, the feeling of luxury that envelops you as soon as you step inside. Still wondering if it's the right fit for you? Take a moment and think about what you value most in a vehicle. Is it performance, comfort, tech, or safety? The 2025 Lincoln Corsair delivers on all fronts, ensuring that no matter where the road takes you, you'll be traveling in unmatched style and luxury.